Zone. Try to catch. No. Don't dismount. Come southeast.
Ano gusto nila? Gusto nila fight, tas bigay nila kasos, di daw nila buksan.
Dismounted lang
Saan?
ako. Magsaba tayo. Yo, careful.
Dismounted.
Come southeast. Yo, dismount me.
GA going Vale.
One healer.
Come southeast.
Patay si Angelica.
Nag-back sila, nag-back.
Okay, come northwest. Where are they right now? Guys, look east. OC now. Look northeast. Okay, look northeast. Detanks on the northeast. Ready. That's a fake. That's a fake. Guys, straight north on me. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North on me now. Hit this and come southwest. Defend now. Demon now. Walk into them. East. Northeast now. Keep walking to them northeast. Keep walking to them northeast. Northeast now. Keep walking. Keep walking east. Find my crown east. My crown east side ready. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep east now. Hit this. More damage. Come on. You guys are lost again. Find your crown, please. Find your crown. Come on. Zancher, nandito ka? Yo, game 6. Come east. Come east.
Kakahit lang nila.
Look east now. East deep. Detang stab them. Keep going east. Give me a fake. Keep going east. East now. Deep east now. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East on me now. On the choke now. Hit the choke.
Pagtitibo nila.
Back northwest. Oh, go. Just hold. Ready demons. They're looking. Defensive on the choke. Yo, counter on the choke. Get ready. Hold the choke. Come southeast. Walk in. Potion now. Pressure potion. Southeast down the choke. 5,
Deep.
4, 3, 2, 1. Deep now. Deep. Hit this. And spread. Full push and spread.
Nagka-counter from this, ha?
Full push and spread. Pre, wala akong pakialam sa mga battlement nila. Full push and spread.
Come east.
Healer
nagdulot kayo. Ano ba to?
Come east. Find me east.
BS nila southeast side.
On the ping. Come southeast. Find me. Southeast on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Hit this. Wipe them. Guys, you guys are lost again. Full catch.
They're trying to zone.
Full catch now. Full catch.
Ago.
Nawawala yung DPS ko, pre. Nakasunod sa isang zerd.
May healer sa south. One.
Namatay kayo, Hyde.
Hindi.
Nag-zone sa kabila.
Yung sila Egi
Ano
namatay.
ba rin, naka-press ng 1 engage. Nakita ko yung PS, nag-invis, yawa.
How many people died?
May nahabol pa ata sa northeast side. Yung sa east club. Habol pa.
Guys, come to the den. We back in the den. How many of you guys have loot? Except if you looted. Yo, come southeast. I assume you don't have loot, okay? We fight Aguila Zancher if you want. We gonna take defensive position.
Pasa ka to, Leo. Trade mo lang sa akin yung
Zone southeast, guys. Zone southeast.
May pa-hold sa passage. Yes.
Let's go to the castle.
Nostal left the part.
All party full.
No.
Can somebody invite me? Hello, fall.
Jam, may mga naglulot dyan? May mga loot ba tong mga to? Or ibang ko muna
Meron. Yung healer, Edmin, naglulot dun sa body kanina. May vote ako.
Guys, come to passage, come to passage. Take passage castle, please.
Sa party 4, kompleto pa to nung
Take
nag-fight.
castle, take
Tas
castle, take
bigla na
castle.
rin nawala. 4 na tao nawala sa party 4. Biglaan.
Pa-invite
Gumawa
daw
sila
sila.
ng ano, Lux, gumawa sila ng demon party nila.
Okay, okay.
Take castle, take castle.
Sabi sana sila pag ganun.
My DPS, don't get lost, please. I need your votes later, guys, because a lot of people is lost in my minimap.
Reset ng isa, may na-reset na isa.
Guys, kill, 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 kill.
Yo, don't trade me here. Trade me inside the castle. After this, you guys are getting knocked by the...
Patrade mo muna,
Portal.
Lux. Patrade mo muna, Lux. Trade the battle mounts, guys. Trade the battle mounts.
Trade
I
me here.
didn't-
I'm near.
I didn't call for a loot, guys, but you guys loot us.
Trade me near the chest. Trade me near the chest. Trade me. I'm near the chest. Trade me or see the keeper near the chest.
Yo, they're gonna be playing kite. So, if you guys want, you can dismount on the back line and just round them up.
Trade me, boys. I'm
Pwede ka,
near the
pwede tayong
chest.
dalawa, two fronts. Kasi iba pwede mag-flank.
Pucha, ang dami naman.
Okay, guys, ready to fight, ready to fight. Ready to fight, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Guys, remember what I told you, kaya gear fast if you die, gear fast if you die. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Come southeast. Hold here, hold here, hold here. My defensives, please. Are you guys in comms? Hold southeast, hold southeast. Let me know if they're bonking already. Yo, guys, hug the wall. This is a fucking castle.
Okay.
Okay. Yo, ready bomb squads? My bomb squad, you guys ready? Keep engaging on them. My solo bombs, please. Bait their defensives. Guys, look southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast, now, southeast, now, southeast, now, southeast, now. Hit this, hit this, hit this. Back, 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 back. My solo bombs, please. Play, play. Lemonary cooldowns. How many seconds?
10 seconds RB, 10 seconds RB. 5.
Okay. Yo, southeast ready, southeast ready. Oh, wait.
Ready RB.
Okay, southeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now, southeast now, southeast now, southeast now, southeast now. Back now, back now, back now, back now, back now.
Guys, pumuputok yung front ah. Grabe naman.
Bep, are you guys here, Eggy? We can chain engages so they don't bonk like fast.
RB10.
Hold southeast, guys. Hold southeast, hold southeast. Hold southeast, hold southeast. Defend, defend, defend. Yo, southeast ready. Southeast
Up na,
ready. Ready,
up na.
ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now, southeast now, southeast now, southeast now. Hit this, hit this, hit this. Kill, kill. Nice. Go back northwest. 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 Ba't namatay sila, Chief? Ano nakapatay sa kanila? Hold.
BS mas BS.
Hold. Ready kayo?
5 seconds
10
RB,
na
5
RB.
seconds. 5
Okay,
seconds.
mic round ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Hit me now. Okay, back.
Looking.
Go back northwest. Go back. Yo, Chief, regear fast, bro. Regear fast, guys. Regear fast.
Careful, bombs out. Bombs out.
May bombs ko. May battle mounts. Can you like go out? Try to get a fucking good angle. Yo, southeast on the gate. Ready. Wait. Defend now. Counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Defend. Push on. Yo, my demon armors. Can you like assign every time we engage? Regear fast, regear fast, regear fast.
5
Wait,
seconds
wait, wait,
RB.
wait.
5 seconds RB.
Yo, east side
Ready,
ready on me.
RB.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Kill. Back now. Too slow.
May shaper sila kay 8.3.
Too slow. Bomb squad coming. Sana, why can't you go in? Go inside, Sana. Go inside. Dev.
5 seconds RB. 5 seconds. 5 seconds RB.
Coming, map check.
Yo, southeast again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. On me now. Kill this and come back northwest. Defend this. Ditang defend this. Come back northwest. Ditang hold. Come northwest. Come southwest. Egi, pag pumasok yan, pwede nyo hold dyan, ah. Come southwest, guys. Come southwest.
5 seconds RB. 5 seconds RB.
Come southwest. Hey, come southeast now. Are they still there? Come southeast.
Shaper bomb.
Wait, guys. Wait. Don't go in. Don't go out.
Sila Egi nagre-regear 1K Kasabay
Namatay
ko ngayon. Oo, namatay si Egi. Nandito ngayon sa
Sila yung unang
Vale.
vector.
Zoning pa lang.
Hindi sila nag-i-inch. Kina-clear.
Oh, defend on front. Defend front.
Engage key.
Guys, why are you there? Like, what the fuck? Wait. Defend now. Guys, southeast, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Back. Demons now.
Yung nag-rigger may one shot sa...
Back now. Go inside. Ditang sold. Yo, defend on the gate. Yo, walk in. Let's full walk in. Walk in. CC them. Full CC them. Southeast on me. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now. Back. Guys, you're too slow. I told you to walk in. Go back. Go back. Too slow. You guys are useless. Too slow. Too fucking slow.
Careful, they're about to engage.
Go back northwest.
Looking. Hit some
Hold, guys.
spot.
Hold. Regear fast, guys. Regear fast.
Zoning na sila Egi dyan.
Guys, careful. Wait.
Careful,
Wait.
engaging.
Wait. They're gonna come soon. They're gonna look soon. Wait.
Nagbubuksan
Looking
sila ng
for-
chest sa Regear 1.
Wait. Hold. Just hold. Boys. Pa-open
Looking
na,
sa northeast
Pa-open
nila.
ng pa-open gem.
Looking sila sa northeast.
Castle.
Nag-engage, boss. Nag-engage.
Yo, southeast now. Okay,
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Oh. Okay, back now.
Back.
BS, northeast,
Def. Dami pa rin namamatay. Def now. Ready. Def.
They're inching up
Okay.
again. Inching.
Wait.
Inching up
Yo, Micron, ready. 5. Wait.
They're looking back. Engaging.
Southeast, ready, southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. Back now. Back now. Back.
Saan uli yung one shot para sa mga regears?
Hold. Yo, I have zero
Ano,
detanks
gitna.
here.
Safer, baba.
Defend.
Careful,
Grabe, ang bilis natin man. Oh guys, no defensive on the front. Supports na naman on the front. Where's my bomb squad, guys? Where's my bomb squad? Ako lang nag-engage dito. Saan kayo, Egi?
Yeah, we need to hear northeast.
Yo, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Come southwest.
Nag-engage siya kayo.
Sige, pag pumasok na sila dito, pwede mo na pasukin yan ha. Come southwest.
Sige, dito na ako sa gate.
Papunta sa inyo, papunta sa inyo. Puntahan na namin. Pwede na pasukin yan.
Nandito
Come southeast, guys. Come
kalaban,
southeast, come
nandito
southeast. Defend ready, defend ready, defend ready, defend ready.
Shaper pa lang,
Guys, come
shaper
southeast,
pa lang.
come northeast, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast.
Caller, looking sa gate ha.
Come northeast.
Ayun na,
Egi, push
mag-engage
yun na
yung
Egi.
caller.
Push yun na Egi. Come
Fake,
southeast, guys.
fake,
Come
fake,
southeast, come
fake,
southeast, come
engage
southeast.
pa.
Come southeast, come southeast. Pwede na i-pull push Egi. Defend, defend, defend,
Ayun na,
defend, defend,
engage
defend, 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 defend. Defend, 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 defend. Guys, on the gate, southeast.
Running
5,
out,
4, 3, 2, 1.
running
No,
out.
no, 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 no. Kill a gate, kill a gate, kill a gate, kill a gate, kill a gate. Defend, 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 defend. Defend now, defend now, defend now. Heal on the front, heal on the front, heal on the front. Egi, push yun na Egi, push yun na Egi. Kailangan natin i-push,
May
push,
next
push, push,
engage ha.
push.
Mag-engage
Push,
na
push,
choke,
push, guys,
mag-engage
push,
na
push,
choke.
push. My bomb squad push, my bomb squad push. Keep going southeast, keep going southeast. D-Tanks, go in, go in. Egi, full push, Egi, full push. Guys, go, 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 go,
Looking
go.
na.
D-Tanks only, D-Tanks only go in, D-Tanks only go in, D-Tanks only go in, D-Tanks
Eto na,
only go in.
mag-engage na.
Wait, 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 wait,
Ready,
wait,
ready,
wait, wait,
ready.
wait, hold. Guys, kill this guy on my con. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on my con. Come back northwest, come back northwest, come back northwest.
Looking na, looking na.
Shaper. Defend on the front, defend on the front.
Second engage coming.
Guys, hold. Okay, walk in, guys. Walk in. Ditang walk in. Ditang go outside. Don't be scared. No fear. Go outside, Ditang. Battleman, go outside. Battleman, go outside.
Sa labas kami.
Battleman, go outside. Wait. Okay, my count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now.
Looking.
Come back northwest.
Reflip to ah.
Ayaw mag-full push siya, ano? Di ako narinig, Zegi. Hello.
Ayun na.
Nag-engage
Hello?
siya. Nag-engage.
Second
Defend.
engage.
Def. Nice. Hold.
2 engages.
Hold.
Shaper looking. Bomb ng ibon.
Shaper ready.
Good demon. 1 baril shaper. Patay shaper.
Hold.
Wala silang-
Hold.
Wala na silang chariot.
Patay yung shaper. Ibon na ng bomb.
Hindi mo ako yung chariot.
Inching up ah.
Likuran nyo, Egi. I-full push ko na to. Wait. Hold, guys. Hold.
Inching up sa gate.
Sige. Guys, hold. Okay, hold. Defend ready. Wait, Ditang hold,
Ito na,
okay? Ditang hold, okay?
coming na.
Yo, ready defense on the front, okay? Ready demon.
Pero meron pa.
Defend. Yo, counter southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on the gate.
Nice.
Full push them. Demon on the gate now. Full push them. Full push.
Full push na talaga to.
Full push and spread.
Magra-run to.
Find my con. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My con. Full catch. Full catch. Na ano yung base ha? Na dismount yun ha? Na-dismount yung base ha?
Dyan, ping mo nga.
Pakihanap yung base.
GG daw.
Sayang.
Dalawa. Yo,
Don't kill. GG na.
kinakol na scout ko. GG daw.
GG.
Sakto lang pala dating ko eh. Di mo ginising.
GE kalaban natin na GE. One more round guys versus GE.
Magpapalit ako
Nalot mo na yan, Jem?
ng set.
Okay na.
Ako
Meron pa doon. May 8M pa doon. Pwedeng
Come northwest.
may 8M pa
Wag
doon
muna.
sa chest.
Mamaya na.
Sisi.
10 minutes OC ah.
Etong
Sige lang.
all rise pati Agila naglulut ah. Bawal patayin to. Nung nag-GG
Nalot
ka.
nyo na yan, Jem? Nalot nyo na yan?
Yung mga
Mga
body.
katawan.
Mga body?
Hindi pa ata lahat,
lahat. Naglulot yung mga alay. Mas marami silang nalot.
Okay, come northwest.
Yung chariot nila di mo pag-mount up. So this one. May screenshot pa ako nun.
Hindi rin sila mga full push. May depth tank sa loob nila na 2.
Fight incline. GE.
Shaper yan. Gago. Eh.
Nag-gold data tayo doon eh. Nabuksan eh. Gold nga. 81,662.
I'm trying to fight GE.
Uy, nice speed
Sayang
na to.
yan, di agad na yung 8-4 na basi.
I-engage ko sana yun nakapag ano siya
Boots agad.
Magpinsa ka na kapag face kill agad. 3 beses ka na dismount yun 2 sa chariot.
Pinito nga invite ako, Silva.
Did we win?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's good.
Snacks, markahan mo agad yung bomb,
May one shot dito. May one shot yan. Ingat.
Careful of the one shot.
GE kung same comp yan, isang clap, isang brawl, isang bomb. Kung same comp sila.
Hindi ko ma-arcane yung yung bomb squad nila. Nasa gitna ng Zerg.
Nasa likod nga eh.
Yung Shaper
Dalawa
ba?
bomb kanina nung Agla
Pag
All Rise.
nakapag-engage yung Shaper kahit i-GM tuloy pa rin.
Wala yun. Ang prayo mo lang doon na tawag doon. Yung main Zerg. Pag yung mga bomb na solo na ganyan, kailangan lang ma-call out.
Yung Shaper nila mag-engage sa northeast. Yung sa ilalim ng castle. Putang ina.
Namatay.
Muntik hindi makikita, pre.
Yung sa south, siya namatay eh. Na-demon nyo ata eh. Maganda yung demon doon. Yung ba iba?
Body lead yung helmet niya dun, kaya di siya nakapag namatay siya.
Hindi, naka-helmet siya. Pero hindi niya ata napansin na pawala na.
Ito, lagyan namin.
Yun. Ang aga niyang nag-helmet. So, ganun. Ubus na yung mana niya. May namatay. So, may na one shot dito. Pakipatayan. Pakipatay.
Okay, guys, we fight GE. Okay, we fight GE in incline.
Kill it.
Ready.
Kill it. Kill this one shot.
Just double OC guys and bring extra food.
May scut naman dun, Kay.
Oh, Scott ka na.
May
Everyone
scut na
drop in
GE
loot
sa
2.
atin, ah. May
Drop
scut
your
na
loots
GE sa
in loot
atin.
2.
Drop your
Okay.
loots in loot 2 guys. Drop your loots in loot 2. Laki ng bomb dun.
Napatay niya yung one shot?
Oo, napatay.
Saan yung party ko? Saan yung main Zerg? Nasa kayo? Hello?
Alay natin sa hollow din. Bibili ata sa din.
May mga nagstay sa hollow na Zerg mami.
22 DA kami sa hollow.
Loot 2 guys. Bang loot 2 ba yung loot 2? 10M lang.
Baba. Imposible.
Buti nung once upon a time, pre.
Daming nilot ng
Time sa akin dito.
Jam, saan yung loot sa once upon a time, Jam?
Nandito pa sa akin, Kay. Hinihintay
sige.
ko lang i-drop nila lahat.
Sure to vibe sa Avalanche Ravine.
Incline daw sila.
Di pa ata nag-drop
GE?
lahat ng loot.
Oo.
Yung mga loot dun sa may, ano yung una, Kay? Kinalaban natin?
Palagay mo siguro ng loot
Check
log
ko,
stuff.
check ko yung nag-loot.
Once upon a time. Once upon a
na sa
time.
incline, ah.
Yung first fight, once upon a time.
May loot logs na thread na ba? Doon sa
Double
Puro,
OC.
puro Kodegra yung naglulot dun sa Once Upon a Time, Kay.
Double OC daw, guys. Double OC. Siyempre.
Guys,
Saka-
wait.
51 to 150 dito sa incline.
33 DA. 33 DA ang GE dito.
Holding mid mo.
Puro Kodegra yung naka-record dito. 5 lang ang golds.
Pati sa sila din sa castle.
Tsaka titang naglulot sa dito.
May nagsascout na ba sa GE, pre? May narinig yata ako.
33 DA daw.
May
Guys,
tao na.
full group,
Hindi na ako,
full group in the hideout,
Balik na
full
ako.
group in the hideout, guys. Drop loot 2, drop loot 2.
Puro sila.
Yeah,
puro-
with GG.
Yo, cause these two battle mount here. Come to the hideout.
Open world.
Come to hideout.
Bank in loot 2, loot 2.
Double OC guys, bring extra food.
Sino uli caller neto? Ng GE?
Sikok.
Si Cook. Tapos bomb niya, sinouch.
Mm. Nang ano ka ba?
Scout, B-mount ulit. Beetle. Basta sisigaw
Guys,
ko lang
backload
ulit.
to, backload to.
Beetle. Luto.
May scout din sa atin once upon a time May Love Northwest. Once upon a time yata.
D31 lang. Oo, D31.
Yung once upon a time? Oo.
Mm-mm. Mukhang ipa-first fight ka nito, boss.
No.
Mga
Pabasag
pabasag,
tayo.
pabasag na itong mga to.
Pasok yata
Level-
tayo HO, pre.
Level 31 day. Pasok na kayo, HO. Saan ba kayo?
31 na.
Yung daming tao
Dismounted
sa
na sa labas
labas,
ng HO Dismounted sa labas ng HO. Be
Daming tao sa
careful.
labas.
May 2 battle
Mga
Oh,
AFK
alay.
ka pa sa labas, boss.
Guys,
Mga
guys,
ano-
wake up, wake up, wake up. They're dismounted outside the hideout. Please, wake up, wake up.
Yung mga natira ata dyan, mga na-outlaw yun dahil sa sa mga one-shot. Yung natira.
Eggy, goods kayo, Eggy? Namatay kayo kanina? Okay na kayo? Nasa HO na kayo? Sino na one shot sa halo?
Sa yung alay yun. Yung alay. Si Antong. Na one-shot.